Hello, welcome back. I had no idea what I was going to film today, but then I got a package and Max sent over a nude lover's dream. For real, look at all these nudes. Delicious. So we're going to do like a nudie, I don't even know what that means, type of makeup. So we're gonna I don't really know what we're doing today. I grabbed some nude stuff for my eyes. I have already put a little bit of this on my face. This is the Beauty Blur by Vita Liberata. It's a primer and a tinted face moisturizer. So I just did that to give my face a bit of a glow because I just put a little bit of instant tan on my arms because I need to do my tan tonight. So I'm just gonna go straight in with my foundation then. I'm gonna use the Dior Forever Skin Glow. This brush is by It Cosmetics. It's one of my favourite brushes for foundation. Any brushes that are like this are always my favourite for foundation because they're great for building up coverage, but you get a really nice flawless finish with it because it really buffs the foundation into the skin. Another good one is this double-ended one from Patrick Ta Beauty. It has that like dense fluffiness to it, and then obviously you can use that for your powder, your blush, whatever you want. I'm gonna do my contour. I'm gonna use the Poco Beauty contour stick again, and I'm gonna use the Poco Beauty brush. I'm just gonna get that on my cheekbones. And now let's conceal. I'm gonna use the Guerlain concealer. And then I've mentioned this brush before. This is the Fenty highlight brush. Love it for concealer. It just fits snugly under the eye. Let's powder and then I'll do my blush. Good old trusty Huda Beauty. I'm just using the powder end of the Patrick Ta brush I mentioned a few minutes ago. Now I'm taking the Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer. This is the shade number 2. I do also love shade number 3, but I more so use that one in the summertime because it's a little bit warmer, whereas I like this one for the winter. I'm just going to do my brows real quick and then I'll do my blush. I'm just going to take the Benefit Precisely My brow pencil. A little bit of brow setter just on top of that. Otherwise the brows go AWOL. Okay, now for blush. These are from Huda Beauty. Pink is called Cotton Candy and the brown is called Latte. Blend out the pink first and then go into the brown. This is one of my favourite blush combos. And I just like to take my foundation brush then and just kind of go over that, especially around the edges, just to make sure it's nice and blended into the skin. I grabbed these Armani eye tints. I love these so much. They're just so quick, easy, beautiful. Yes. I don't think I'm going to use the dark brown. I might use these two. First shade called 20M. I don't know what this shade is. I'll have to have a look online because the number wore off it. I'll check the website though and I'll link it below. So that's what I'll use these. So I think I'll take the lighter shade in here. Blend that out. And then the darker shade out here. Take a bit more of the dark. You know, actually I am going to take a smidge of this darker one and put it with this because I thought that other one was darker than it was. Yeah, that's better. So these do like dry down and set on the eyes, so you don't want to leave it too long before you blend them out. Let's do the same on this side. I'll link these below. I'll do light, medium, dark, so you know which is which. I'll take a bit of the medium shade and I'm going to go underneath. The brush I used for that, it was a Makeup by Mario Sephora brush. I'm going to do my favourite little trick. Not really a trick. My favourite little thing I've been doing is using the off-white eyeshadow in my inner corners. The shade I'm using is from the Makeup Forever Whatever Walnut palette. Just pressing that in the inner corner. I just feel like it gives your makeup that clean look. I don't know, it just does something that I really, really like. Take a little bit on my brow bone as well. I'm going to take some brown liner. This one is the Huda Beauty one. And I'm going to take some on a small detailer brush. And I basically just want to go along my top lash line on the outer corner just to smoke it out just a smidge. Yeah, see, just a little bit. I actually probably could have used this. Maybe I'll try this on the other eye just to see how it works. So get a little bit of that. You only need a little bit of that because it's a wetter formula. Now let's load up those lashes with mascara and use that MAC Stack mascara. I'm gonna add my little corner lashes. These are the ones I always use lately. They are actually a full pair by House of Lashes called Purr. So I just cut them in half. Okay, I have been excited, very excited about this colour. This is a new shade called Cool Spice. If you know Spice, it's one of like their OG lip liners, but it is a bit more on the warmer side, so it was never one that I really gravitated to, but they have Cool Spice. I'm so excited to try this. I mean, obsessed. I think this might be better than Wherever Walnut, and that's saying a lot because you know how much I love Wherever Walnut. By the way, just to let you know, if you don't already know, Flesh Pot is back, and she's back for good. What would I mix it with? This one's called Acting Natural. Let's try it. I'll take a little bit of chestnut, just a very light pressure, and I'm gonna just go along my lip line. You'll see the way that just defines the lip a bit more. Let's finish it off with a little bit of face mist. This is the one from Guerlain. Oh, it smells delish. And while we're here, let's keep everything nude with the Kayali vanilla perfume. Delicious. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you like the look. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon.